Puzzling. Meaning. Difficult to explain or understand. Example. The exam questions were puzzling. Shaggy. Meaning. Having long, thick, unkempt hair or fur. Example. The dog was shaggy. Bless. Meaning. Pronounce words in a religious rite in order to confer or invoke divine favor upon. Example. May God bless the newlyweds. Fool. Meaning. A person who acts unwisely. Someone who lacks in judgment or prudence. Example. The drunk man made a fool of himself. Repair. Meaning. Restore something damaged or faulty to a good condition. Example. The plumber agreed to restore the damaged pipe. We will meet again with another episode of Let's Learn English. Meanwhile, please like, share, subscribe and comment.